Do more of what you're doing. It's hard to beat a person who never quits. You have to outlast the other people. You've heard the concept of a 10-year overnight success. People thought Macklemore, good friend Ben, that Ben came out of nowhere. Macklemore, oh my God, Ben had been making records for 10 years. Literally living in his parents' basement, recording on a 4-track, and yet it seemed like he came out of nowhere. Don't stop what you're doing. Be relentless, never quit, be patient. If you keep applying pressure, at some point it's gonna pop. And if you're not applying pressure at that time where it would pop, you walk away, you take a break, you give up, you get soft, you're gonna miss the opportunity. Do not give up. Never give up. Outlast those people.
Welcome to video number 3. Dr. Cam Todd here. Fresh Start Freight. Build your own freight broker business. Video 3. Changes to the law. Your bottom line can be impacted negatively by any changes in legislation. The industry expects the next change to make the price of insurance premiums skyrocket. The good news is that most changes in law can be seen way before they actually happen. The bad news is that the last change to minimum numbers happened over 35 years ago, so it's very likely a big change will occur in a few years. Update on that, that's when they moved from a $10,000 surety bond to $75,000 surety bond, so those changes have already been implemented. With all things considered, it still looks very bright for the future of freight brokers. There are many reasons to be optimistic, but it's a good idea to keep your eyes and ears open and to have emergency plans in place to avoid your business operations being impacted negatively. Industry forecast. It's difficult to forecast the exact future growth of the industry. However, over the last 3 years, we have seen it continue growth in both the overall economy and the industry as a whole. Unlike other industries, the freight industry is always in high demand. Businesses and individuals need to ship things across the country. It is what keeps the economy ticking. Without truckers, there would be nothing in the stores, no home deliveries, no important supplies, etc. The economy would completely grind to a halt. So even during turbulent economic times, you can expect the industry to continue to perform strongly. Advances in technology and software are also making it much easier to match freight carriers with the right clients and their cargo. The combination of both advanced software and new technology, in addition to cheaper cost of basic tools such as computer systems, makes it a great time to start running your own business as a freight broker. Operating in the right area of the country is key to growing your freight brokerage business. Areas that are experiencing the most growth will have a higher demand for freight services, meaning there's no limits on how far your business can grow. In today's freight industry, the transportation industry is massive, and the freight brokers make up just a small percentage of the industry. There are many aspects that make up the industry, including trucks, boats, cars, planes, trains, and a whole lot more. Back in 2011, the transportation industry was worth a whopping $1.8 trillion US dollars, which was around 10% of the entire U.S. economy at the time. In the same year, over 4 million people were a part of the transportation industry, with a value over $200 billion, and exports were as high as 1.5 trillion US dollars. This is Dr. Cam Todd saying we're finished for now with video 3. Make it a great day. Looking forward to video 4.